he's got a Team of the Year and I haven't. What is this? I need to get a Team of the Year. I need to pack every Team of the Year. I'm better than Etor. Etor is not the pack king. I am the pack king. I am the pack king and it's going to stay that way. I have packed Pele. Has he? Wait, he might have actually. Wait. Let's check. Let's check. Okay, I think he packed Pele. But mine was better. Mine was first. He packed his in November. I packed mine way back. I didn't even upload in November. I probably did once, but I did it in before that. Etor, I am better than you. You need to accept that. Just because you got Team of the Year Messi, you are not the pack king. I am. I'm going to show you guys why I am the pack king. But first, Team of the Year actually has to come out. So the forwards came out and I got no one. We don't like that. The midfielders come out in 15 minutes. And I'm going to pack them all. There's one pack opening. Actually, I'm probably not. I'm going to open all my packs on 3 accounts and I'm going to get them. I'm going to get at least one. I've got to get at least one. And Etor, by the end of Team of the Year, we'll see. Whoever packs, I challenge you, Etor. Whoever packs more Team of the Years is the pack king. Comment down below if you're down for this. Yeah, comment down below. Yeah, anyway. Okay, and then we can also do a video at the end, by the way. And yeah, let's go on to the pack update. They are here. The midfielders are out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Modric, 99 rated Modric. I'd take him over Messi and Ronaldo. 97 De Bruyne and 96 Conte. Oh god, these are absolutely insane. Got 3 special plus packs, 15 special packs. Thank you, Crazy Bits. Finally. Okay, let's start with the 15 special packs. Come on. Okay. No one. Yesterday they only gave us 8 packs. Now they gave us 20. Bakayoko, since when did he go? Obviously, I'm yet to get one, so I don't know what the flare looks like. So, you know, I'm not gonna know. Oh, yeah, there we go. Oh, guys, I got the notification. Oh, you guys can see. I got the notification. Pacey Bits posted it. I just took that a weird glance at Pacey Bits, so I was like, because I was waiting for that post, and it's like, oh, wait, oh, we got an icon, Alright. Who's this? Van Nistelrooy. Okay, it's 86 rated. That's not the best. And Isco, 18 rated. I nearly opened the special plus pack. Did you guys see how close that was? And that's no one. And that's no one again. That's no one again. Let's use Suso. That's not too bad. That's 86 rated. Normal walkout. Okay, who's this gonna be? Oh, Cruz, 90. Yes, 90 rated Cruz. Ooh, that's good actually. Okay, come on. Wait. Oh. I've never seen that flare, so I was so confused. It's Neymar. 94 rated Neymar. What? I don't know what card that is. Look at that triple PSG with that perfect link in it. God, I don't know what card this is, but I'll take that. I still don't know what that Team of the Year flag looks like. Is that an icon? That's another icon. We got another one. Is that Van Nistelrooy again? Oh, it's Van der Sar. 89 rated. Van der Sar. I will take that as well. Okay. Oh, no. 5 more special packs. And we got nothing. Oh. Oh, we got nothing again. Come on, Donnarumma. I swear I've heard that, but that's an AC Milan goalkeeper. I've heard of. Okay. Okay, we have 2 left. Come on. So we've got like 3/4 through the packs, and we've still got no one. That's not a good thing. I feel like that was our final one. Didn't check Manolas. Okay, that was our final one. Okay, on to the 3 special plus packs. So these should be better. So we should be getting at least 2 walkouts. Okay, that means we've got to get something in the next 2 packs. We got Costil, 82 rated. That is absolutely terrible. We got another non-walkout. Giannini. I don't even know. Okay, we've got to get some pasty bits. You can't be giving me something bad in this. I got no walkouts in my 3 special plus packs. Felipe Anderson. He's not bad, but no walkouts. Okay, they better be giving out in these New Year's packs. Okay. We got nothing! Betis, oh my god. Come on, pasty bits. I love this game, and pasty bits are going to give me something good. Salah. We didn't even get a team of the year. How have we still not got a team of the year? I'll open them. Okay, let's open some more packs, I guess. What's my password? Honestly. Now, the one thing I didn't tell you guys about was the one final account I have. I have this one account, which I'm going to open my packs on and see if I can get someone. It's right here, guys. Let me just move over. Okay. Come on. Or my game will just freeze. I saw that flag. I thought it was. Oh my god. I got tricked by that so much. Got nothing again. Sorry for this laggy footage. I don't know what's up right now. Oh, we're getting no one. Come on. At Europa League, I don't care, mate. What was it like? Matthew? Yep. He's bad. Don't want him. Only one person I want is any team of the year. I don't care who. Any team of the year. Any team of the year. Open back. Icon. We got an icon. We got an icon finally. Finally. Italian, is that? Yeah, that's Italian. Come. If you're wondering why I'm looking over there, my recording is over there. Baggio. Okay. No one can say this pack opening's fake. I know it's lucky fudge, don't worry. Okay, yeah, this is way too lucky. Okay, come on. Give me something good. Give me something good. What is that? Oh, it's one of these. There's so many different flares. Markovic, he still plays for Liverpool. Wow, I didn't know that. Yeah. Last year, in my first 3 days of opening packs, I got Ronaldo and Messi. In the first 2 days so far, I have got Nothing. Danish, we've got Christian Eriksen. Not bad. But I want better. Come on. It's a normal walkout. Not a team of the year, doesn't matter. Lloris, he should have got team of the year. I mean, he was a nominee at least. Come on. What do I have to do to get a team of the year? I'm just not. Obviously, I just get normal inform, because that's what I just always get. No one, like always. Sorry I haven't said anything. It's just that I've got no one. These packs are terrible. Okay, we have 3 special plus packs. Maybe if I go for the New Year's pack next, it'll actually help me and get something, I don't know. No, okay. One of these. Definitely knew what that is. Come on. It's an icon. I don't want an icon. I don't want an icon. I want a team of the year. That's JJ Okocha, probably my favourite player ever. But he's still not a team of the year. Oh my god. I'm going to open the special plus pack. I'm going to show you guys. No one. Okay, I'm going to do a leave the room pack. If this actually opens. Okay, how do I do this without looking at that? Okay. I got no one. You're taking the piss. I've opened packs on 3 accounts. I've got so many icons, which makes it an insane pack opening. But I have still not got a team of the year. 2 days in. Oh no.